Okay, good Tavach, everyone, as we learn the Mishna Yomis on this very holy Slichas night, Motzei Shabbos Slichas of Tavshin Pei Daled. Magen Avram says that the season of Yom Noraim starts with the saying of the Motzei Shabbos Slichas. We learn in order to be Mekayim the mitzvah, Dibarta Bam La'asos Nachas Ruach L'Yitzreinu, as we are sponsored Lili Nishmas David ben Chaim, L'Refu Shalem for Yom Moshe ben Chayesar, for the schus of Abraham and Yom Ben Ishmael Mark Yudis and family. Also sponsored by the Fisher family, Lili Nishmas Basi Bas Robert Shlomo ben Abraham Alevi, Perel Bas Ruven. We learn sponsored by Yoel Klugman and family for the Parnas Gzunta Nachas, and L'Refu Shalem for Meir ben Chayesar. We start with Mishnah Hay in the third parak, where the Mishnah tells us V'chein shnei kelim. If, let's say, Bruce and Yitz deposit two kosais by Shelley, Echad Yafa Mana ve'Echad Yafa Elav Zuz. One was with $100, one was with $1,000. They both put it in bags. They gave it to Shelley at the same time. They trusted each other, and therefore Shelley didn't check. But now, when they come to pick it up, Yit says the $1,000 one is mine. And Bruce says the $1,000 one is mine. So what Shelley is a very diplomatic person. He says, look, both of you for sure get $100 worth. So Noisin as a cotton le'echad, he gives the small one to Yitz, le'echad mehem, and then the big one he sells, and after liquidating the big one, Noisin to make cotton l'shen, he gives $100 worth to Bruce, and the other $900 he keeps until Eliyahu comes. V'ashar yemunach ad sheyavei Eliyahu. Amar Rabbi Yaisi says, I'm sorry. That's not going to induce the cheater to confess, because he got his 100. He didn't lose anything. He made a try. Imkain mahiv sidarame. What would the deceptor lose to make him confess? Ela kol yemunach ad sheyavei Eliyahu. Shelley doesn't return anything. Now the lawyer says, wow, I'm not going to get even my 100. So he'll step up and says, okay, the smaller one was mine. So at least he gets back his smaller silver kites. Now Mishnah Vav says, what happens over here if a mafkid peiris eitzel chaveira? Bruce deposits by Shelley a whole basket of homegrown apples. I mean, Bruce worked very hard, and he planted, and he weeded, and he watered. You know, it's a bushel of a basket of Bruce's apples. Afilu hein avudin, even if the apples begin to deteriorate, some of them begin to become wormy. And the Rav says it's at the normal rate of deterioration. If it's a rapid deterioration, of course Shelley should sell it. But here it's at the normal rate of deterioration. The Tana Kama says, Lo yiga bahen. Shelley shouldn't sell it. Because there's a rule, right? Adam bekav shalai metisha kavin shel chaverei. Somebody wants even a kav of his own more than 9 kav of somewhere else. Bruce wants his homegrown stuff. So therefore, don't touch it. Reb Shimon Gamliel disagrees. Reb Shimon Gamliel says if it's beginning to turn wormy, then Shelley should sell it, so Bruce shouldn't suffer a loss. Reb Shimon Gamliel, he should sell it with the approval of Bezdin. It should be done to make sure that he sells it on the up and up. Why? It's like he's returning a lost article to Bruce. Otherwise, he's going to lose a lot of his fruit because they're going to turn wormy. He doesn't hold of this, that even if there's a 1 to 9 difference, Bruce would rather his own stuff. Bruce wants to have as many of his apples as he can, and therefore, according to Shimon Gamliel, Shelley could sell it with the approval of Bezdin to save Bruce's apples from being destroyed. We want to thank you very much for joining us. What a wonderful evening. Let's have each other in mind during Slichas, and have a good Tavach.